welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how I created this Mother's Day set. Look at how pretty it is. It's super cute. I'm super excited to show you. So I had to remove my old design, so I got to use my e-file and my dust collector. I love this dust collector. I'm gonna show you right now when I'm done removing the design how much dust it actually collects. It's so satisfying to see it because it's like, where's it all going? And then it's just there. It's super satisfying. So I decided to leave the whole thing. I just fast forwarded really fast for you guys so you guys can see the whole process. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch. Look at how much dust that is. Oh my gosh. All of that goes to my clothes. It goes all over my house. I am so grateful that I got this dust collector. So here are my nails, nice and clean, so I could start with my design. So I decided to put some iridescent glitter on it, and I used my MAKART glue, my foil glue, and I added some of these shards on it. Look at that, it's so pretty. And then after that I decided to put the foils on top of that, right on top, and then I encapsulated with some pink, clear pink polygel. It's MAKART's jelly polygel. I used the pink one, or the coral one, I think it was called coral. So I used that. Look at that, it's so pretty. I actually did a double I did another layer of glue here so I could add the flower because it didn't transfer all the way. And I just pushed it down with my cuticle pusher, and there it is. Look how cute it came out. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So yeah, I did that to all the nails. So I kind of wanted to match the other set on my right hand, but I just didn't want to add like more glitter on top of the flowers. I just want to kind of leave it, you know, see-through. But I ended up adding like a little bit of the iridescent glitter just because it looked cute. I thought it would look really cute, and it did. I really liked it. It came out really nice. I wanted to see if it will look cute with some glitter before the iridescent shards. So I added some glitter first, and then I added the shards, and then I added the foils, and then I encapsulate it, and then that's how I finished it up with some top coat. And I liked it, but it could have been done without the glitter, so I think it was just a waste of time, but you know, you live and you learn. So I don't think I would do that again either. I would do the shards, or I would do the foil. I wouldn't do them together, I don't think. But yeah, this is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.